In today's video, I am going to show you how you can create unlimited Snapchat accounts without providing your original phone number or email address. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to create unlimited Snapchat accounts without providing your original phone number or email address, what you need to do is to open your internet browser and in the search bar, you need to type temp mail, click on search, then click on this first link and wait for a few moments. Once the temporary email address is created, click on copy and using this email address, you need to create your account on Snapchat. Once the account is created, Snapchat will send a verification code to verify your email address. So in order to get that verification code, you need to come back to this website and scroll down. And right here in this inbox section, you will receive the OTP code. Once you have received the code, paste it on Snapchat and your fake Snapchat account without providing your original phone number or email address will be created. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.